Hey, travel enthusiasts! Is the thought of packing sending shivers down your spine? Fear not, because today we're dividing into the BAGSMART Packing Cubes, a two-set compression system that promises to double your packing capacity. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's unpack and see if they deliver. First things first, these cubes come in large and medium sizes, catering to everything from bulky sweaters to delicate blouses. But the real magic lies in the compression zipper. Imagine stuffing them full, then zipping tight. Poof! Your clothes magically shrink, fitting snugly into your carry-on. It's like a suitcase superpower. This translates to packing freedom, ditching luggage, traveling carry-on only, and opening up a world of packing possibilities. Plus, more. These cubes are built to last with durable fabric and smooth zippers. More flimsy, though, broken organizers ruining your travel zen. Overall, the BAGSMART packing cubes are more than just organizations. They're travel lifesavers. They help you pack smarter, lighter, and with less stress. So ditch the packing chaos and embrace the freedom of efficient travel. Check out these cubes and let me know in the comments if they become your packing heroes too. Happy travels!